Imagine you're sitting down to dinner with your family, and suddenly there's a knock at the door. You answer it, and there stands a man wearing deep red robes. The presence of that man at your door can mean only one thing. Someone in your family is going to die tonight. The man in robes is a scythe, one of the people chosen to glean, aka kill people, now that technology advancements have made humans immortal. Citra, a young woman, finds herself in that exact situation one evening when a scythe enters her home. Her family is scared and knows exactly what it means when a scythe comes to visit. But Citra is not scared. She understands it's a scythe's responsibility to glean, but that doesn't mean she has to quietly accept what is going to happen, and she stands up to the scythe, only to discover that no one in her family is going to be gleaned, but the scythe is there for one of her neighbors. Rowan, a young man, refuses to leave the side of one of his high school classmates when they are chosen for gleaning by the same scythe. Showing his courage and strength by standing up to the Scythe Faraday likes what he sees in both Citra and Rowan, and he decides to take them on as his apprentices, to become scythes themselves. At first, they resist, not wanting to become scythes and gleaning people. But Scythe Faraday teaches them the ways of the scythedom and the importance of gleaning with compassion and respect. Citra and Rowan quickly learn that not all scythes believe in the old way of doing things that they're learning from Scythe Faraday. A new leader is emerging amongst the scythes, Scythe Goddard. Goddard and his followers are known for bloody and brutal mass gleanings, and the rest of the scythes worry that they are enjoying their kills much more than they should. When the scythes discover that Scythe Faraday has taken on two apprentices, something that has never before been done, Scythe Goddard suggests that only the better of the two should become a scythe, and the first person that scythe needs to glean is the other. Citra and Rowan are shocked when this is agreed to, and what was originally a playful and friendly cooperative competition has quickly turned into a fight for their lives. Check out Scythe by Neil Shusterman and discover, will it be Citra or Rowan who wins? And is it really winning in the end?